Hello guys, my name is Ejosu Baby from the website design altitude, and in this segment for our JavaScript blueprint course, we're going to be talking about we're going to be creating a game. Okay, basically what this game is about is, let's suppose in a real life example, holding some fingers behind my back, and I'm asking you to guess how many fingers am I holding. Then you tell me, then I'll show you the answer. I know you are right or you are wrong. Basically, that's what this lesson is about. So without wasting much time, let's go into our Sublime text and get rid of all this code we've written here. So let's save to make sure we are having a clean page to work with. So okay, we'll now have a clean page. So what I'll do is this, I'll go back here. So I'll create a paragraph. I'll say, how many fingers am I holding up? Okay. Then I'll create a button. I'll call it guess. Okay. By the way, I'm actually giving you everything my mentor taught me. Okay. Everything I've learned over the years. That's what I'm actually teaching you here. And I've used this to build a lot of websites. I've used almost all this method to build a lot of websites. So, okay. Before the guess button, I actually made a mistake. We also have our input. I'll say I'll say text. Okay, then I'll change this one. Change to ID. ID. Okay, what ID am I going to give it? So let me just give it any ID. Let me just give it guess. No. Let me just call it text. Okay, then this button I will give it an ID of button. So let's go ahead and save this and see what we have. Okay, so the idea is when somebody enter the game, I just explained that to you. So when somebody entered a number here, not 77, we have 5 fingers. So how many fingers am I holding up? If I say 4, then guess if the answer is 4, it's going to show that the answer was 4. If it's not 4, it will show that we were wrong. So that's what we're going to do right about now. So the first thing we want to do is want to target our button. Okay, document.get element, no, undo, get element by ID. Okay, what's the ID of the button? Is btn dot onClick equals to function. Okay, so when someone clicks on the button, it's going to tell us the numbers of fingers I'm holding up. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to actually create a variable for our random number. So rand number. Okay, random number. Okay. So we're actually going to use a built-in function called math.random. What this function does is this. It's actually a built-in function. Okay, we'll get to function. We'll talk about built-in function. These are functions that the programmers, the owners of JavaScript, they've written. Okay, all you just need to do is to use it. Okay, what this function does is it gets number between. Okay, let me just alert it for you. So we'll see it. Alert round number. So let's go right here. So when I click here, you see it give us it gives us a random number between 0 and 1. That's what the function is about. So you run to generate different random number. See, different random number. But we don't want to use 0 and 1. Okay, we want to do something different right now. We want it to give us random number between 1 and 5. So what I'll do is I'll say round number equals round number multiplied by 6. Okay, so let's save and let's alert this and say alert round number. So let's see what we have. Okay, so things are looking beautiful. So but we don't want all these decimal numbers, so we need to remove them, and we can actually remove them using a function. Okay, can remove them using a function, and the function we use in removing it right now is we say round number equals, this is a built-in function, maths.flow. This function removes decimal numbers, okay, from a number, round number. So let's go ahead and say alert round number. So let's see it. You see, we don't have the decimal number behind them again. So things are beginning to look awesome, my friend. So now we've removed the decimal number behind our random number. So what we need to do now is we need to create another variable. Okay, we'll create another variable, and we'll call this variable that's the value we'll enter here. Okay, let's call it value equals documents dot get element by id. The id of what we're getting is text, okay, which is this one, dot value. Okay, we're getting the value. So now we're going to write our if statements. We'll say if value value equals round number, okay, alert yes, you got it, okay, else is wrong, we say alert oops, try again. Okay, let's go ahead and test our code right now. Okay, let's suppose for instance I enter 4. Is it oops, try again? So let's keep trying. Oops, try again. Try again. I don't enter another number. If I enter another number, I might not leave this place today. I actually just got it. Okay, let me try it again. Yes, I got it. Okay, so my friend, this is not the best game you can create with JavaScript. Of course, you can create calculator with JavaScript. Makes sense. But I'm opening your eyes to see the power of JavaScript. And the best way to learn any programming language is for you to practice. Practice, my friend. When you practice, you get better. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.